Okay, we're working on skill work 6B, 5th grade math review. Number 1, we have 82 times 25. So we'll go ahead and set that up with vertical multiplication. 82 times 25. 5 times 2 is 10, write the 0, carry the 1. 5 times 8 is 40, plus the 1 we carried is 41. Moving over to the 2, so we'll be working here underneath the 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 8 is 16. Add these rows together, and we get 2,050. Okay, number 2, we have 334 divided by 7. So we'll go ahead and write that down. 334 divided by 7. 7 is too big to go into 3, so we cannot write anything above the first 3. It can go into 33. It goes in 4 times. 4 times 7 is 28. And 33 minus 28 is 5. And then we bring down the 4. Okay, 7 can go into 54 7 times. 7 times 7 is 49. We subtract and get 5. We used to say remainder 5, but now we say 5 out of what we were dividing by 7. So this will be 5, 7. So the answer is 47 and 5 7. Number 3, how many tenths are in 3 and 8700ths? This is the 10th place, so there are 8 tenths. How many hundredths are in 5200? This is the 100th place, so there are 2 hundredths. How many tens are in 65.32? This is the 10th place, so there are 6. Number 4, use the place value pattern to complete the table. So we're going to take each of these numbers, and first we're going to multiply it by 10, then we'll go back to that same number, and then we'll divide it by 10. So 3.2 times 10, to multiply by 10, we can move the decimal 1 place to the right, so 32. To divide by 10, we move that decimal 1 place to the left, so 0 and 32 hundredths. Move that decimal to the right. In order to multiply by 10, move the decimal to the left to divide by 10. So 4 and 5 hundredths will be, but multiply it by 10, you move your decimal 1 place to the right, so it will be 40.5, 40 and 5 tenths. To divide by 10, we move our decimal 1 place to the left, so 0.405, so 405,000. 9 tenths, if we multiply it by 10, we get 9. If we divide it by 10, we get 900. Number 5, this is just an order of operations problem. I'm going to zoom in on that while we are, because we have multiple sets of grouping symbols, we always work from the inside out. So these are the braces, these are the brackets right here. And these are the parentheses with the 2 times 4 inside. So we work from, we do the inside the parentheses first, then inside the brackets, and then lastly inside of the braces before doing the entire problem. So the 2 times 4 needs to be done first. This gives us 8. Then we can bring everything else down. Okay, and although it's tempting to just add this on at the end, sometimes if we don't bring it down with each step, we can forget it. So I would encourage you to bring that 6 plus down with each step. So then inside the brackets, we have 6 plus 8, which is 14, plus 10, which is 24. So we have 24. And then bring down the times 10 and the braces. 24 times 10 is 240. Now we can drop the braces because that has all been simplified. And then we just have 6 plus 240, which is 246. Number 6, color the model to match the decimal. And we have 38 hundredths. So this is 100 squared. It's a 10 by 10 square. So we'll shade in 38 of the square. So this will be a row, we'll do this row of 10, 20, 30, and then we'll count 8 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We'll make our outline. This is the part that we will shade. So 3 columns of 30. And shade in the 8 additional squares. So 38 out of the 100 squares are shaded. Number 7, write the next two numbers in the number pattern, and the note or hint is that this is a two-step pattern. So I'm just going to look at every other step first. Okay, so I see from 2 to 4, 5 to 10, 11 to 22. Each of these numbers is being doubled. That was a helpful hint, so I could see that pattern right away. And then the alternating, every other one, I see it goes from 4 to 5, then 10 to 11, then 22 to 23. So this is just being increased by 1. So to continue the pattern, the next step would be times 2, and then the following step would be plus 1. So 23 times 2 would give us 46, and then 46 plus 1 would give us 47. Number 8, you plan on mowing lawns this summer to earn money. You have 16 lawns to mow, and each month you get paid 16 lawns to mow each month, and you get paid $12 for each lawn. How much will you earn in 1 month? So we will have 16 lawns at $12 each. So we'll multiply 16 times 12. 2 times 6 is 12. Write the 2, carry the 1. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 we carried is 3. 1 times 6 is 6. 1 times 1 is 1. We add these up, we get 2, 9, and 1. So you will make $192 per month in the summer mowing lawns. So this was skill work review 6B of our 5th grade math skills.